Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the pen's power type, removable AA or sealed rechargeable. Once confirmed, power off your Surface Pro or at least disable Bluetooth so the pen won't pair mid-change. Place a soft cloth on a flat surface to protect finishes. Grip the pen barrel near the tip and use a thin coin or fingernail to twist or slide the cap according to model. This is the first actionable step to access the battery compartment, so do it calmly but firmly. Next, remove the spent AA cell by gently tipping it out. Note the polarity marks inside so you understand why orientation matters. When inserting the new battery, ensure the positive and negative ends match the markings. Incorrect insertion prevents power and can damage contacts. Reseat the cap securely by aligning threads or sliding it back until it clicks. A loose cap causes intermittent connection. Once reassembled, press the pen button and check for a pairing or LED response to confirm successful replacement. Finish by pairing the pen to your Surface Pro if it doesn't auto-connect. Go to Bluetooth settings and add the device. Make sure buttons and tip respond across apps to confirm full functionality. If the pen still fails, open it again and double-check battery orientation and that contacts aren't bent or dirty. Clean gently with isopropyl and a cotton swab. If problems persist, update Surface firmware and drivers, because software can prevent recognition even with a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.